I finally made it to Alabama, and as a music lover, I've been waiting to come here a long time. From juke joints with blues in Birmingham to the Muscle Shoals Sound way up in North Alabama, I cannot wait to check this out. I've made it to Muscle Shoals Sound Studio, the place where Paul Simon, Leonard Skinner, the Rolling Stones, legends, hit records have been recorded here. Oh my God, the vocal booth. I'm standing in the place where they sang, "I'll take you there." Ow! In here is where legends came and produced hits. Hits after hits after hits after hits. Platinum and gold all happened here at Muscle Shoals. Oh my gosh, everybody is here. The Commodores, Tammy Wynette, W.C. Handy, all the greats of Alabama music are here. Oh, you see, this is what I love. My man, Lionel Richie. This is why this place is so cool. You've got all these great exhibitions, and then right in the middle of it, you have Alabama's actual tour bus. I've never been on a real tour bus before. This is actually pretty cool. I might just take a nap right here. Made it to Birmingham and I'm feeling kind of thirsty. I'm here at Avondale Brewing Company. This place is incredible and all the beers have a story. My favorite is Miss Fancy's Triple. Just down the road from where we are now, there used to be a zoo. And during Prohibition, there was an elephant at this zoo that drank beer. And the elephant's name was Miss Fancy. And they named this beer right here after her. If I lived here, this is where I'd be hanging out. And if you come on the right day, there might be a concert, might be a crawfish boil, but either way, you're gonna have fun.